How do you convert decimal odds to implied probability? Imagine you're looking at a betting slip and see decimal odds of 3.25. You might wonder, what does that really say about the chance of that outcome happening? Well, converting those odds into a percentage called implied probability is the key. It helps you understand how likely the bookmaker thinks that event is. To do this, you take the decimal odds and divide 1 by that number. So, for odds of 3.25, you do 1 divided by 3.25. That gives you about 0.310. Then, multiply that by 100 to turn it into a percentage. So, 0.310 times 100 equals 31.0%. This means the bookmaker is implying there is about a 31% chance that the event will happen based on those odds. If you see decimal odds of 2.0, the calculation is 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. Multiply that by 100, and you get 50%. So, the implied probability is 50%. Understanding this is super helpful because it lets you compare what the odds suggest to your own estimate of the chances. If you think the real chance of an outcome is higher than what the implied probability shows, then that might be a good value bet. Conversely, if your estimate is lower, it might not be worth betting. Most bookmakers use decimal odds because they are simple to work with. The calculation also accounts for the bookmaker's profit margin, which is why the total of all implied probabilities for all possible outcomes usually adds up to more than 100%. That extra is how they make money. You can use implied probability to compare odds from different sources or markets. It helps you see where the value might be hiding. If the implied probability is lower than your own estimate of the true chance, that could be a sign of a good opportunity. Getting comfortable with converting decimal odds to implied probability is a powerful tool. It makes understanding betting markets easier and helps you make smarter choices. Remember, it's all about translating the odds into a clear picture of what the bookmaker thinks and how that stacks up against your own view.